to export your whiteboard files so that you can have access to them on your Google Drive. So on my home screen, I'm going to come back to the whiteboard, to the file that I just annotated, and I'm going to, in that same hamburger icon in the bottom left, I'm going to now click on Export. And I want to export this as a PDF. I just find that it gives a more clean looking file when I go back to my computer, my Chromebook, that sort of thing. So I'm going to click on PDF. And because my cloud drive is synced, I can tap on my image icon, and then I can select a location in my Google Drive to save this. Now, again, this is only folders in my drive and not a shared drive. But I'm going to tap here, and I'm going to say OK, and then it will prompt me to give this a file name, File Sample. And then it says it's exporting those pages, and I'm going to have to give that file name again, File Sample, and then hit OK. And it's uploading, and then it tells you that the upload was successful, and then you can just hit OK. And this would be a great way to save those annotations that you're doing in class with your students, and then be able to share on Google Classroom or something like that so that they have access to your annotations or your notes as well. Thank you so much for watching.